Had to take a quick sip.
Hello, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I am here with my sister, Tammy Pally, and Malibu, of course. Gotta have Malibu.
Yes, she had to come along.
And Tammy brought me something. And the video's all about unboxing whatever this is. I have no idea.
It's dolly stuff, so.
Oh, okay. That's good.
That narrows it down.
All right, let's see what we have. There's all kinds of stuff in here. We'll start with this. Ooh. I like that color. Isn't that pretty? Did you make this?
Yes. So that is,
wow.
I did by the time you publish this, the video that I did for creating a bibliophile life doll will be out. And I did that as a collaboration with Starches and Stitches. And that was the first version. So it's not perfect in any way.
It's a prototype.
Yes. So I made it again using the same fabric, and it was very similar. So I thought, well, I'll just give this to Terry, and now it will be a tight fit on the jointed bodies.
Okay.
Okay, so it might be able to fit, but yes, it should fit.
It should fit her pretty.
Yeah.
You know, when I look at this, I think you can mori it up really well.
Definitely, yes. Yeah.
And with fall coming,
yes,
it's going to make a nice little fall outfit.
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty she's going to look in it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I liked it. It's just the pattern actually had a Peter Pan collar, and I had trouble with the collar, so I made a yoke style collar instead and put some lace around it. And then I was like, no, girl, you get in there and you make that collar. So I did it all over again. Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. Thank you. All right, let's see. What else do we have here? Oh my goodness, where'd this come from?
So, I knew you didn't have a petite, and she's an AliExpress petite. So now you have one. I actually had another one of these, and I can't find it. So this is one that I've had just in my collection for a while, and I have an exact same one wrapped up somewhere that I was going to give to you, and then I lost it.
Oh,
but I lost it in my house. So
it'll show up now.
Yeah, yes, it'll at some point in time. I will find that doll.
Good.
So I know you have a midi that you got from Friends of Ariel over on Instagram, and you gave me the little petite fairy that he sent us.
Right.
So I was like, well, she needs a petite. So now you have a petite, a midi, and her midi's a stock midi. It's the real deal. And then you've got a whole bunch of Neos.
Oh, how fun!
Yeah.
She's really cute too.
Yeah.
I like the color of her hair. It's very different. It's a realistic redhead.
Yes, it
actually.
is. Yeah. And their eyes, when she goes down, her eyes close. You can't still. There you go. Whoop. No, so now she opens up. If she lays down, her eyes close, and then she stands up, her eyes open. And they don't have any. I mean, they can do like this, that kind of stuff. They don't have any
no
other
joints or
articulation.
anything. Yeah.
No. But anyway,
she's cute. Thank you. Oh,
and
man, there's all kinds of goodies in here.
I think everything else... Oh, no, there's still some dolly things, and then there's some other things that aren't dolly things, but you can still show them.
This is a dolly thing.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, look at that. Oh, man.
Yeah. It's a little big for Blythe, but I think it can still use it.
So, this girl needed this on the cruise she just got off of.
She does. Yeah, she could have used that. So push the little button.
Oh, there's a button. Oh, there's a button.
Do it again. Mine took a little while. Oh, it's not working.
What's it do?
It's supposed to flash. Huh. Mine didn't flash right away. Well...
How cute, though.
Allie, come on, man. Yeah, see, mixed results. It's supposed to flash, so maybe at some point it will, but mine didn't flash the first couple times I hit it, and then it worked. It actually did a little...
Actually, it's a good little size for her.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah. Of course, you don't have to do that anymore. You know, the old ones, us old people, we go... But, this is a digital camera, so... That's fun.
All right. Open that little box.
This one?
Yeah. That's also a doll thing for her. That'll fit more her size. No problem.
Oh, how fun. I have a dulcimer, and now we have a guitar. A purple one at that. How fun. Did you get this at Allie also?
Yeah. It was one of those. They,
Yeah.
I was putting in one last order because of all the, tariffs and everything. And so I just bought a whole bunch of different things. And
it's got strings.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell.
And I already showed some of this on my channel, and I had just bought extra ones. You've been gone, so you probably didn't see that. But
no, I've been gone. I got to do some catch up. Oh, boy, some fun stuff in here. Okay.
So I got us some necklaces. We all wear moon necklaces in honor of our father, who was a NASA engineer. And when they're on sale sometimes over at Alex and Ani, they have these like flash sales where it's like super inexpensive. And so I'll buy like a bunch, I'll buy enough for all of us. And so there's 2 necklaces. That one is sterling silver. I wondered.
I was just going to ask, is this silver? It looks sterling.
Oh, that reminds me. I have some magnetic clasps. Remind me to give those to Mom. I got some magnetic clasps that you can attach to this.
That is really pretty.
This is sterling silver, and it was so cheap. I couldn't believe it. I didn't think it really was, and then I got it, and it even has this little, like, what do you call it? Silver polish bag? Yeah. I mean, that's not the
18 inch.
Yeah.
So.
And it slides and everything. This little thing slides.
How cute.
Yeah, I thought it was a good layering piece.
Yeah. Have to put that on. And then here's another moon. I actually saw Mom sitting there.
Yeah, so this is, I have those magnetic clasps that you attach to these for her so she can wear them easier. But I like, this is sort of a rose gold look with black.
See the crystals?
Yeah.
Those are really pretty.
See, and I'm wearing my cat. These are my black cat earrings from Tappingflamingo. And so it goes with my gold little moon necklace. Oh, and now that's from Betsy Carney.
Yeah,
so
okay.
That was, she gave us those after, she sent these to Terry and me after the last virtual Blythe retreat in June, and I just haven't been able to get it to Terry yet. So it's a little doll necklace to put around her dolly with a pink flamingo.
A plink flamingo.
A plink flamingo.
It's a new color, plink.
Yes.
See if I can get this on there.
Yes.
Actually,
it's very cute. It looks good on the 1/6 scales, and I also put mine on the what do you call it? My Elowen, and it looks really cute on her too. But yes, thank you, Betsy.
Look at that. Thank you, Betsy. Yes, I love that flamingo. That is really, really pretty.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, oh, Terry's going to freak out when she sees
She'll be wearing this.
And I think everything else is just like some bags and stuff, right? Is that?
Yeah.
So I just recycled. Terry, so she has Tappingflamingobling Etsy shop. And I know she likes to wrap up. And she recycles stuff when she wraps up her packages for everybody. And I remembered I had a bunch of these little bags and everything, and so I was like, you know what, I should bring those when I bring all that stuff for her.
In fact, my mom had a ton of them. I was going through some of her stuff.
Really?
And so I'll be adding them
there you
here.
Go. Oh, nice.
And they'll be going back home with me in a couple of days.
Yeah, so
thank you. Yes,
you're welcome.
And this is a nice bag to put those moons in. So what are these? The moon.
They always have, Alex and Ani always has like a little story. Like this one says, the moon symbolizes ever-changing nature of life. Each phase of the moon reflects a different stage in your journey, from beginnings to moments of reflection and renewal. Wear the moon as a reminder of your personal growth, cycles of nature, and the beauty of transformation. So, yeah, and we wear them in memory of our father.
Yes, I'm going to put mine on right now. We're fixing to do another video, and so I'll probably wear the silver one.
Yes, because you got that. It would look cute with what you got. And that one, it can be long or short. It's adjustable.
I like to, well, like she said, there's been a couple more that she's given us, and I like to layer them. I will layer them with other things.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, that's it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
And thank you for joining us today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette along with my sister, signing out for now. Bye-bye.